This guide will walk you through the process of exchanging Ultima URC-20 tokens operating on the Ultima Chain for Ultima URC-10 coins, which also operate on the Ultima Chain. To exchange Ultima, go to ultima.io, log in, and navigate to the Transform section. In the Give field, select Ultima URC-20. In the Get field, select Ultima URC-10. Enter the amount you wish to exchange in the Give field. The calculator will automatically show how much Ultima URC-10 you will receive at a 1-to-1 exchange rate in the Get field. Once you've entered the amount, click the Transform button. A window will appear displaying the wallet address to which you need to send the tokens. The address will also be shown as a QR code for easy transactions via a mobile app. Send the required amount of Ultima to the specified wallet. Once the transaction is completed, it will appear in the Recent Transactions list. Click the Transactions button to view transaction details. Now go to the Payout page. Here you will see your exchange transaction. After successfully exchanging Ultima URC-20 tokens for Ultima URC-10 coins, you need to withdraw them from your Ultima URC-10 balance. To withdraw Ultima on the Ultima Chain, go to the Payout section, select Ultima URC-10 from the token list, and click Next Step. Enter your wallet address where you'd like to receive the Ultima and the amount to withdraw. Then click Send. A window will appear, prompting you to enter the two-factor authentication code. Open your Google Authenticator app and enter the current code in the corresponding field. If everything is entered correctly, you will see a confirmation message that your Ultima withdrawal request has been created. The tokens will be sent to your specified wallet shortly. Now go to the Transactions tab in the Payout section, where your most recent transaction will be displayed. Click the hash link to view your payout on the blockchain. A window will open displaying the details of your transaction. If you have any questions, please contact support. We'll be happy to assist you. Exchange quickly, conveniently, and securely with Ultima Transformer.